No warning, no preparation. We had a president who lied to us from day one.
Most Democrats generally agree with the former governor that Donald Trump botched the country's COVID-19 response. But House Democrats investigating the pandemic don't have Andrew Cuomo's back when it comes to his defense of how he tabulated nursing home deaths.
This isn't about politics as much as how the former governor wants the public to think that this is a Trumpian political agenda. Both Democrats and Republicans see what he did was wrong.
A new report endorsed by all Democrats sitting on the House's Select Subcommittee for the Coronavirus Pandemic concludes that Cuomo interfered with the Department of Health's data reporting, was not transparent about nursing home deaths, and the state's controversial March 25th order to put COVID patients back in nursing homes, quote, arguably contradicted federal guidance.
But we had a whole slew of other Democrats who saw what the former administration did was wrong, and we wanted to take it as far as impeach him.
It follows a broader 557-page analysis released by the GOP-led committee, reviewing how the nation handled the pandemic.
You know, it certainly didn't start as a partisan attack. It became partisan in part because of Cuomo's own actions.
A large part focused on Cuomo, and the panel interviewed many of his ex-aides, concluding their handling of data led to a severe undercounting of nursing home deaths.
The Democrats were not willing to defend the specifics of what Cuomo did, especially when it came to the problems with transparency around data.
Democrats argue some decisions made sense, but they don't excuse Cuomo's repeated refusal to release data.
Accurate and complete data is vital to ensuring that we as a country are as prepared as possible to handle the next pandemic better than the last.
The report concluded, quote, any public official who sought to evade transparency or mislead the public about the COVID-19 pandemic should be held accountable. A Cuomo spokesman told New York One in a statement, quote, the Manhattan DA and others looked at the nursing home issue and found no wrongdoing, while the meritless civil lawsuit launched by the very same people who have been working arm in arm with this committee was tossed out of court. Meanwhile, Republicans accused Cuomo of lying to Congress, referring the report to the Department of Justice. They think he should be prosecuted.
That would actually probably help Cuomo more than hurt him. It would help him portray what's being done as a political vendetta.
Cuomo is also reportedly considering a political rebirth in the form of a mayoral run.
Whatever seat he may want to pursue would be summarized in 5 words. Cuomo lied and people died.
Bernadette Hogan, New York One.
Thank you for watching our YouTube channel. Let Spectrum News be your resource for balanced, in-depth political coverage, and click the subscribe button right here. You can also download our app or watch us on TV to learn more about the candidates, where they stand on the issues, and more. We'll see you then.